Adjectives, Comparatives and Superlatives.
In this video, we look at the consonant+ER group of adjectives. This is a much smaller group of around 10 adjectives. This group is unique because they are all between 3 to 4 letters long and all end with a consonant, vowel, and a final consonant.
For the comparative form, we double the final consonant and add ER. For the superlative form, we double the final consonant and add EST.
So let's look at the rest of the adjectives in this consonant+ER group. Fat, fatter, the fattest, flat, flatter, the flattest, hot, hotter, the hottest, sad, sadder, the saddest, slim, slimmer, the slimmest, thin, thinner, the thinnest, wet, wetter, the wettest. In the next video, we will look at adjectives ending with the letter Y. Don't forget to like and subscribe.